Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to iron Jimmy Choos Saree at home. Preheat your iron to the lowest safe setting and always test on a hidden corner. Turn the saree inside out when possible and use a pressing cloth to protect embellishments. Move the iron gently and avoid steam directly on metallic threads. Work in sections and keep hands steady to maintain crisp pleats without stretching the fabric. Gather your tools and set an organized workspace before you begin. Use a low-heat iron and a cotton pressing cloth to shield delicate embellishments. Lay a soft towel under the saree to avoid shine and work from palu down to the pleats systematically. Light misting with distilled water helps relax fibers without soaking them. Take breaks if needed to keep movements precise and avoid accidental stretching or pulling. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes waiting while your saree cools far more enjoyable and less fiddly. It's light, waterproof, and easy to hold during short breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy those relaxing reading moments while your saree sets. Now let's get back to the video. Start by securing pleats with your non-dominant hand and use short, gentle presses rather than sliding the iron. Keep the saree inside out or beneath a pressing cloth to protect shiny surfaces and embellishments. Work methodically from top to bottom, checking each section for smoothness. For stubborn creases, use a soft towel and press gently rather than increasing heat. End with a cool press which helps set the shape and preserves the fabric's finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.